Welcome to our channel. If you want a full tutorial on backing up WhatsApp to Google Drive, follow these step-by-step instructions to safeguard your data. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your Android smartphone from your app drawer or home screen. Step 2. Tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to open the WhatsApp menu and select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats to access chat-related options and configurations. Step 4. Tap on Chat Backup to view your backup settings and options for Google Drive integration. Step 5. Tap on Backup to Google Drive and choose your preferred automatic backup frequency, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you manually initiate. Step 6. Select the Google account you want to use for storing your WhatsApp backups, or add a new account if necessary. Step 7. Choose whether to include videos in your backup, keeping in mind that videos significantly increase the backup size and storage usage. Step 8. Tap Backup Now to create an immediate backup of all your WhatsApp chats, photos, and media to your Google Drive account. The process may take several minutes depending on the amount of data. After completion, verify the backup in your Google Drive under the WhatsApp folder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.